I had several drawdowns since I started trading, and the worst drawdown until this year was a minus 15%. So it was always very on the conservative side. Most of the drawdowns were recovered very fast. I had a prolonged period of losing money, like constantly losing money, going sideways. Everything was still drawdown wise in a acceptable area. I was, I think, minus 20%. But the length was very unusual. Looking back, I know now why my strategy portfolio has not performed well, but that felt pretty crappy. So what did I do? I started my journey with momentum and trend following systems only. And I had no mean reversion systems and no seasonal systems. In 2020, end of 22, mid of 23, I did a lot of research, mean reversion systems, seasonal strategies. So I knew, okay, maybe I'm lacking performance because I have a strong focus on momentum strategies. So my solution was, okay, I have to add more strategies. I have to add more short-term strategies, especially in the US market. I saw that they work really well, they're easy to implement. And yes, that's the journey, how I got out of this drawdown. And yeah, 2024 was way better.